dumb. That's what I feel like. Arrogant. You're scared. Are you okay? Oh, you're shy now. You're shy now. Look at those. Here comes the chismosa, wanting to know what's happening. Oh. Hi guys, welcome to a vlog. We're out here in our Wyoming life. We're here with our audience watching us today. The donkeys. Here's donkey number 1. Oh, donkey number 2. Donkey number 3. And over there is Miss Tiffany. All the cute cows. Hi. Welcome back to the video. Back to my channel. Okay, start over. Well, today we are here at my aunt's land. We are gonna feed the animals, so come with me. Okay, come. And we'll get back to it. Y ahora en agosto que si tú lo puedes sacar con el donkey food. Where is the donkey food?
It's supposed to be a blue bucket.
A blue bucket?
Yeah, like 4 fingers. Okay, you got this. You're strong. And at last I see the light.
I'd be devastated.
You'd be dead.
You'd be decapitated.
Welcome to the Garcia family. Oh.
Buscando la comida.
Yeah, buscando la comida.
Sí, told you.
Oh, I guess that.
But where's the bucket?
I'm back there.
Look, they're waiting. Look at them. They're literally waiting on us.
They're like, I need y'all to figure it out.
This is our Wyoming life.
Actually, they're laughing at us.
They're like, they're dumb. They don't know about this country life. Oh, look at the ducks.
Even the ducks are here waiting for food. Oh, it's because, oh, they probably heard the thing open.
Oh, she said to give them food too. They better not come in here. So this is how country life is. If you didn't know, country life requires land and animals. And it requires handy hands, because it's a lot of hard work.
So we figured out which one's to feed.
Yes, correct. And we found the bucket too. It required a lot of hard time. Evening in my Wyoming life.
Our Wyoming life is gonna contact me and be like, this is copyright infringement.
For
For the
no, For pilot. Those aren't dildos either.
Lay down on the floor. Lean closer.
No le vas a echar tanto, nomás te pones lo normal.
Ya, los 4 dedos.
Stick your hand in the floor.
This is how a pro does it. Okay, this is what our hard work looks like. Wait, are you coming, bro? Where do I put this?
You beat them by hand.
No?
Yeah.
Now get ready for the attack. Because they're gonna attack. Look, they're even coming. No, it's starting to run. Okay, where do I put the food?
I don't know.
¿Sabes dónde se las echa? Our Wyoming life. Okay, food this way, guys. Food this way, guys. And then this is the calling that you call for them to come. That donkey scared me.
What if that's not where you were supposed to place it?
You just dumped it all. I think Alger would be jealous. Because of you.
Grab half of it. The,
Pick them up.
Is that not where I was supposed to put them?
No, you're supposed to give them to the animal individually.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Well, my bad.
now you're gonna pick them up. Hurry.
You need to dump it on the ground.
These are snacks, Violet, like the ones at home for the dogs.
Imagine that, yeah.
Imagine you just go
Throwing it on the ground like here.
take them all. That's why the donkey attacked the cow.
I didn't know.
It's
Guys,
fine.
I lied. I'm not from the country.
What common sense?
No, it's not.
You
It's
see
like,
it?
it's like with the gallinas. You just throw the food.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Donkey, move. Violet, how does it feel to be having to pick it up by hand?
I feel dumb. That's what I feel like. And I got all this like in my nails, on my hands. I'm on the ground. It's hard out here.
All the animals are so sad.
I know I'm taking their food away.
You're like, what's wrong with this human? You know what's up it?
Thanks guys for helping me too.
I'm recording. What do you want? I don't know what you want from me, Violeta. You want me to use my toes? My third arm? She got scared with the cow. Oh, because there's
Get
a
the hair
whole...
out of my mouth, please. Ow! Karen, this is how you feed cows the correct way. Ew.
Oh, you listen to spicy peanut.
Violeta, there's more on the floor. I don't have any, sorry.
Those I can do. Dude just bit my hand.
You know, put the food above their face so they tilt up to their lips. Their lips.
They do what?
Stop scaring them, Viola. You're just scaring all the animals.
Don't throw it. They're not going to be able to find it.
I guess I don't know how to farm. How to do it. Like they're over there because they're scared. Are my vibes not in?
They're not.
I can't anymore. You don't want to give them food here?
No, I'm good.
Oh. It's our Wyoming life, Dad.
Yeah.
Our Wyoming life. Let's try to give food to the little one.
You want to do that, Viola?
Here, little one.
You're scaring it.
Here. By you making us coming. Go eat it.
Stop.
You're scaring it. You're scaring it.
You ran.
No, he's preparing. No. I have no more. No more. I'm done. This life is meant for me, but in a different lifetime. Look at my hands. Look at my nails.
Oh.
Guys, if I didn't know, this is a boot cleaner. So if you ever have dookie or dirt or mud or anything on your boots, you just come here and it cleans it for you. Isn't that so cool? Link down below. I'm just kidding. So, if you're a rancher out there, one of these is very important to have.
You're just like not cleaning it. It's already cleaned. Let me see.
Is it going?
No.
How much should I give them?
I'm gonna go
I have no idea. That's enough, right? Yeah. Okay, now we're off to feed the ducks. Or whatever they're called.
You gotta say you're confident, Dylan. Here you go, feed the monsters.
So come along on our adventure in our Violeta Garcia, Texas life. The ducks aren't that way, they're that way. Okay, let's walk through the road so we can see you.
Y'all made me come this way for nothing.
He started walking that way.
I don't know where the ducks are.
Oh, true, they might be over there or they might be here. I think
They're over there, dude.
oh, never mind, they're that way. Okay, so let's
¿Quién tenía razón?
you just throw them right there. They know.
They'll feed you.
They'll eat anything.
They'll all eat.
Bless you. Bless you.
Here are the ducks. Well, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave it down below or to the left. No, to the right. Either one of these sides. Thanks for watching. And I'll push you. Ooh, it's...
Oh,
Maybe you shouldn't be on there.
you can't get off.
This was the beautiful young lady that was videotaping the whole time. Everybody give her a round of applause. Woo! Yeah.